In example 2, we are going to determine any relative maxima or minima. Maxima is the plural of maximum and minima is the plural of minimum. And a maximum is a point in your graph where it goes from increasing to decreasing, and it creates what looks like a little hill on your graph. And a minimum is a point on your graph where it changes from decreasing to increasing and it looks like a little valley. So this graph isn't that interesting because I can only see one hill or maximum value, and I can only see one valley or minimum value. But I'm going to use this example to teach you how to write your maximum and your minimums. If a graph has many maximum and minimums, the highest maximum of all is called the absolute maximum, and the lowest minimum of all would be the absolute minimum. All of the other maximum and minimums in your graph are called relative maximum and minimum, and they are relative to their interval or location that they're located at. So let's go ahead and start with our maximum. I can see that I have a point on my graph right here where it goes from increasing to decreasing and it forms a little hill, and that would be a maximum. And the ordered pair to get to that maximum is over 1 up 5, but when we write our maximum value, what we're writing down is the y value, the height of that maximum. So the height of that maximum is at 5. It has a y height or y value height of 5. And then I'm going to write where it's at with regards to the x-axis, and that is at an x coordinate equal to 1. So that's how we write our maximum. It looks like an ordered pair that switched. The actual ordered pair at this maximum is over 1 up 5, but when we write it down, we write that y coordinate first. And then we have one minimum in the problem, and that minimum is a low point where your graph is going from decreasing to increasing, and that is right here. And if I look at the regular ordered pair, that would be over 3 up 1, but when we write our minimum down, we are going to write it starting with the y coordinate first. So my minimum has a y height of 1, and that is at x equal to 3. So technically the ordered pair is over 3 up 1, but when you write your max and mins, you write the y value first. So we write 1 at x equal 3.